Did you say this is your name? H-A-R-T? Heart. Heart. Can you say heart? Heart. And Luna. Luna.
Yeah.
That's right. So what is black? Maybe we'll make her hair black. How about black hair? This is Snow White. Should we try? Let's try. Let's try. What color do we want to write your name in? Let's write it in blue. Gee, heart. Wash that off later. You got some on your eye? How did you do that? Luna, you should look for the stickers. Okay, how about your brown house has a green roof and a green door. Oh la la. Look, there's gonna be a lake over here. Lake. Okay, let's do a green field. Green field. Lots of green. Yay, the house has a green field. No? Oh. Oops. You want your name. Okay, we'll write it in blue then. You. And hey, Luna. 3 cheers for. What are you doing? That's not the point. You're not meant to draw on you.